clear blue skies in London. There's going to be a lot of sunshine across the whole country in the next few days, but you're going to notice a difference to the feel of the weather. But let's look at the Mediterranean first of all, because there's been absolutely no let-up in the very unsettled weather that they've been suffering during the course of the last few days. Southern parts of Italy, huge totals of rain just recently, over 70 millimetres, and they weren't alone, because along into Corsica, also very wet indeed. In the next few days, if you're off on holiday to that part of the Mediterranean, especially if you're going to Spain and Portugal, you remember yesterday the Gulf was interrupted, it does look as if you're going to need to take a raincoat with you, because there will be further heavy showers and even some thunderstorms, and they're going to rumble on right the way through the weekend. Eastern parts of the Mediterranean should fare a little bit better. Parts of Turkey at the moment and Greece are unsettled. Again, it's a case of thundery showers, but I think we will see an improvement coming along very gradually during the course of the weekend, so that by Sunday the sun should be back and you are going to see somewhat warmer weather. Not particularly warm when you look towards Moscow into eastern areas of Europe. Temperatures are around freezing, and it's going to stay pretty chilly there, I think, in the next few days, and that's going to have an important influence on our weather, because slowly but surely during the course of the next day or so, it's happening now, the winds are going to be increasing, coming in from the east. So obviously we're going to get a decided chill to the air, and the temperatures should take a tumble. Now at the moment, as you see on the latest satellite picture, it's virtually clear skies everywhere. There is some cloud here across southern parts of Ireland, that's producing some showers. Some cloud too around the Forth, that also is rather persistent. What you can't see too is some rather thick fog in parts of the English Channel. If you're off to Aintree, it should be dry and sunny during the next couple of days. A little bit warmer this afternoon than it will be tomorrow, because by that time that easterly wind will have picked up. And it's a warm, sunny picture really for many parts of the country. Southern Ireland, perhaps the extreme southwest of England, more in the way of cloud, maybe South Wales too, with the odd shower popping up this afternoon. Along this east coast, more or less from about the Humber northwards, there's a chance of some patchy cloud coming in from time to time. Nowhere near as grey as it was yesterday, but nevertheless, with that wind coming in from the cold sea, you can't expect temperatures to get up much better than 9 or 10 degrees, whereas in the south, we could well see 18 degrees in places. Again, it'll be cooler around the coast. Some of that cloud beginning to feed westwards again during tonight. Still some showers over Ireland and the far southwest. Otherwise, we're going to have a fine night, and it will be fairly chilly, especially where that cloud doesn't make an appearance. For instance, in central parts of Scotland, just about a touch of frost there. That strong wind across southern parts tomorrow, you really will notice it quite keen. In fact, in the English Channel, that wind will be up to gale force, and the sea is quite rough. So some patchy cloud coming onto that eastern coast. A colder day all round tomorrow, but out of the wind and in the sunshine, not feeling too bad. And indeed, there will be a lot of sunshine just about across the whole country. A cold night coming up, though, tomorrow night, with some frost across the north. And then as for the next day, although that cold wind is still there, not quite as keen or as strong. So a good deal of sunshine, I think, in most places, feeling a little bit warmer.